Hello, my beautiful co-creators and my divine beings of light. It is my pleasure to introduce to you today the 12 immutable laws of the universe. Law number 1 is the law of divine oneness. Everything is connected to everything else. What we think, say, do, and believe will have a corresponding effect on others and the universe around us. The law of vibration. Everything in the universe moves, vibrates, and travels in circular patterns. The same principles of vibration in the physical world apply to our thoughts, feelings, desires, and wills in the etheric world. Each sound, thing, and even thought has its own vibrational frequency, unique unto itself. The law of action must be employed in order for us to manifest things on earth. We must engage in actions that supports our thoughts, dreams, emotions, and words. Law of correspondence. This universal law states that the principles or laws of physics that explain the physical world energy, light, vibration, and motion have their corresponding principles in the etheric or universe, as above, so below. Law of cause and effect. Nothing happens by chance or outside the universal laws. Every action, including thought, has a reaction or consequence. We reap what we sow. The law of compensation. The universal laws is the law of cause and effect, applied to blessings and abundance that are provided for us. The visible effects of our deeds are given to us in gifts, money, inheritances, friendships, and blessings. The law of attraction, which is a law that everyone's been going crazy over, but without the other laws, then the law of attraction basically stands by itself, which is important, but the rest of them are important as well. The law of attraction demonstrates how we create the things, events, and people that come into our lives. Our thoughts, feelings, words, and actions produce energies, which in turn attract like energies. Negative energies attract negative energies. Positive energies attract positive energies. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy. All persons have within them the power to change the conditions of their lives. High vibrations consume and transform lower ones. Thus, each of us can change the energies in our lives by understanding the universal laws and applying the principles in such a way as to effect change. Law of relativity. Each person will receive a series of problems, tests of initiation, lessons for the purpose of strengthening the light within. Each of these tests, lessons to be a challenge and remain connected to our hearts when proceeding to solve the problems. The law also teaches us to compare our problems to others' problems into its proper perspective. No matter how bad we perceive our situation to be, there is always someone who is in a worse position. It's all relative. Law of polarity. Everything is on a continuum and has an opposite. We can suppress and transform undesirable thoughts by concentrating on the opposite pole. It is the law of mental vibrations. Law of rhythm. Everything vibrates and moves to certain rhythms. These rhythms establish seasons, cycles, stages of development, and patterns. Each cycle reflects the regularity of God's universe. Masters know how to rise above negative parts of a cycle by never getting too excited or allowing negative things to penetrate their consciousness. And last but not least is the law of gender. The law of gender manifests in all things as masculine and feminine. It is the law that governs what we know as creation. The law of gender manifests in the animal kingdom as sex. This law decrees everything in nature is both male and female. Both are required for life to exist. I hope you can understand and grasp the whole concept of these universal laws, because these universal laws will never be taught to us in school. And if you can learn how to repeat these laws within your subconscious mind and live them day by day, then I'm telling you, you will see a drastic transformation within your thoughts, and your feelings, your emotions, and your actions. And these laws are very important because they also teach you how to be in harmony with nature, because when you are experiencing discord, then you go completely against these laws. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned something from them. And go online and find out where you can find some information regarding these laws and start studying them. Thank you. I love you guys.